The taste that counts. Let's start with the filling. These are boneless chicken thighs. I'm mincing chicken in my mini chopper. Ground chicken or turkey is very available nowadays. You can try this recipe with ground pork as well, or ground beef. Slicing carrots, onion, and potato. Olive oil. Let's start browning the chicken. Ground chicken is already seasoned with salt and pepper and juniper. I'm putting the chicken on the side of the pan to make room for the onion. Onions start to soften. We can add a potato, carrot. Keep watching. All-purpose flour. I'm adding vegetable stock, mushroom actually. Put the cover on and medium heat. Leave this to cool. This is the only way I know how to make cauliflower rice with food processor. If you have another ways of how to make cauliflower rice, suggestion is welcome. It feels like rice. Breadcrumbs, all-purpose flour, and egg. You know what to do, hands on. Instead of pastry, I'm using cauliflower rice for my torta salata base. Just press it down all the side of the baking dish as well. We put the filling in, the pie crust, quiche, ready for the oven.